Look what's in your bucket. What's in your bucket? Good job, Abigail. Luke, what's in your bucket? What's in your bucket? What's in your bucket? You're fine. Oh my goodness. Hey, Benny. This toy was in your bucket. Whoa! Get it! Get it, Luke! What's in your bucket? You get in there. Look. You knocked over your bucket. What happened to your bucket? What happened to your bucket, Luke? Are you going to get it? Can you get your bucket? You are 5 months old and you're sitting up so good. What, Abigail? No, baby, you can't put that in while it's off. Okay, wait just a second. Mommy will help you. Okay, can you wait just a second? No, that's not the only... You have to turn this machine on. Okay, just wait, and Mommy will help you.
Okay.
Okay? Oh, Abigail, what did I say? Wait, and I will help you. I'm not going to tell you again. If you keep trying to put it in there, you're not going to get to watch it.
Yeah.
Careful. Abigail, what did you learn at school today?
Huh?
What did you learn at school today? Do you think your brother's going to crawl soon?
Yeah.
You do? Okay, let's go.